It's time to taste this with Frank Gallo. Beautiful, homemade mamas, polpette di riso, rice balls. Here it goes, ready? Oh my God. Benvenuti a tutti and welcome to another episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. Tonight, my friends, I'm gonna make for you one of my childhood favorites. I'm gonna make for you rice balls, polpette di riso, arancini, the big ones with the mozzarella inside. You open them up, you get that gooey melted mozzarella. It's unbelievable. But let's start out with the ingredients. We have sea salt, unseasoned breadcrumbs, pecorino romano and parmigiano reggiano. We have parsley, the stalks and the leaves cut separately because the stalks have the real flavor, the leaves are for garnish. We have minced garlic, oregano, cubed mozzarella that goes into the arancini, black pepper, 2 eggs, okay? And we have our rice that I already made this morning. I put 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of water. I boil it down until the water is gone, until I get this type of a consistency here. You can see it's nice and sticky. I let it cool on the countertop, and then I place it into the fridge. Now let's get started. We're gonna crack 2 eggs into our separate little dish here. The eggs go into the rice. In addition to that, we're going to put our minced garlic right here into here. Okay? It's going to be a big party here for all of these ingredients. We're going to put our parsley, beautiful fresh basil that I raised in my own garden. Oh, it's so fresh. The aroma is incredible. We're going to put our parmigiano reggiano and pecorino. And then by eye, we're going to put our breadcrumbs. Approximately a cup to a half a cup, depending on how dry or wet the mixture is. I'm going to put a touch of salt, just about a pinch, because the cheeses will have a lot of salt in them to begin with. So there we go. And then we're going to start by mixing it with a wooden spoon. You see what I'm doing here now? Mixing it with the wooden spoon first. There it is. I'm going to start to work it with our hands. Now, when you work it with your hands, you could really tell whether or not it needs more breadcrumb. See, right now it's pretty moist. We don't want to be too moist. We don't want to be too dry. Add some more breadcrumb. Mix it around. Now, this is a very, very quick thing to make. Once you've got the rice all cooked, it's pretty simple after that. Okay? And now we're going to start to form the balls. Now, you can make small ones or big ones. It all depends on you. See how they roll? Look how they roll. These will be some of the smaller ones. Arancini is a big one. And what you do is you roll it, okay? Roll it like that. Grab a piece of cheese or 2, like this, a piece of mozzarella cheese. Take it, put it on the outside. Push it into the center, just like that. You see it in there? Okay, now you close it up and you roll it again. That's an arancini. And what happens is while it's frying, the mozzarella inside melts and it becomes a dream. And then my mama used to make them into logs also, and they were really delicious. She would make them into beautiful logs like this, and they would go into the fryer. Ah, look how beautiful. Look at that. The little tiny ones are going in first. They're going to test out the temperature for us. And the important thing to do is, as they're cooking, turn them. You don't want them to burn. You want them to cook evenly. We're going to be looking for a golden brown color. Beautiful golden brown. I've already prepared this plate here with napkins on it. The one ingredient I forgot to tell you about was passion. Passion is the ingredient that goes into every single one of Mama's recipes. That's the color we're talking about, folks, right there. Look at that. It's almost that time. You know what time that is? Do you have any idea what time that is? I mean, it's that time, guys. It is that time of the show where I am gonna taste what I just made. We're gonna have an arancini. Look at this bad boy. Look at this beautiful arancini. Are you ready? The beautiful mozzarella in the middle. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that mozzarella. Look at that. I'm gonna take a little bite of that mozzarella now. Are you ready? Are you ready? It's time to taste this with Frank Gallo. Beautiful, homemade, mama's porpette di riso, rice ball. Here it goes, ready? Oh. Oh my God. Why do I keep doing this? Why? Why? Why do I keep making this amazing, amazing? I gotta have another one. I gotta have another one. I gotta have another one. You want a bite? You want a bite? Come on, open up wide. Nope, I'm taking it back. I'm gonna eat it myself. Oh. Moist, delicate, delicious, not overcooked, just right, delicious. Guys, I want to thank you so much for watching my show tonight. Mama Gallo's porpette di riso rice balls. I thank you. I need you to subscribe. Next show is going to be even better than this one, if it's possible. But most importantly, guys, I love you, Mama. Cend'anni, salud.